to live on with such profoundness. Well, folks, good morning to the sounds of the ocean breeze. Oh, the ocean waves. To the joy of a gray sky. Yes, I just woke up, but I woke up with such pleasantness whilst no one's out there. Why? Because they've been drinking all night last night, just out there. So it is crippled. They've crippled themselves. So there's hardly much life left in them to rise to a powerful day. Sounds of the bird, a gentle breeze in the air, a joy of life that is rising out of the ocean. Only if I was able to be out, I'll be stepping on that shoreline with my bare feet to touch the elements of what is to be a human being. But times are such when you're strapped and tagged. What is most important is that you become responsible and you respect the rules and laws of the land wherever you are. I hope you are free and you're responsible and stay safe wherever you are. Keep smiling. It's the only thing which is free to do and free for all to share. Thank you, and may your journey of life and the profoundness of life be as impactful as the sounds of the gentle breeze and the fragrance and the tweets of these wonderful birds that are free to fly as they do every day. May your life and your gentleness and your tweets be of pleasant and of pleasant nature to all that hear and all that feel the rising energy of life. The sun has risen. I can see a kite in the sky. But what's so joyful is that they have been woken up this morning and they're blissfully and joyfully flying a kite in the sky. When I was once in Afghanistan, in Kabul city, the tradition is to fly the kites. I don't know if you can see it really. Let me see if you can see it. It's a tiny little dot with a little tail, a snaky sky kite. Wonderful. There are baby coconuts. It's a pleasant experience to rise, a strong rising this morning, like all mornings has been. Imagine your feet touching the sand and the ocean water. And only if the ones who got no straps and tags got drunk and they're indoors. The ones who doesn't get drunk or doesn't drink, nor they cripple their mind and their faculties are stuck indoors in isolation of a room and a balcony, view of a balcony, or out of a balcony. Anyhow, this is the life at different times of our lives that we have to journey through. And that journey may bring you somewhat humiliation and remind you to be conscious, be gentle, be kind, be sensitive, and be wakeful, be alert, and be sensible, and be joyful and ecstatic and blissful. Why? Because you're still alive. And have a wonderful morning wherever you are. See you from Bridgetown, Barbados.